Gentlemen over 50, imagine if there was a hidden pathway in your body, one that could naturally restore the vigor you once took for granted. This isn't about expensive treatments or complicated procedures. It's about understanding one remarkable natural remedy and knowing exactly where to use it. After a decade of helping men reclaim their confidence, I've discovered something that continues to amaze both my patients and myself. Let's be honest, aging brings changes we'd rather not discuss. But what if I told you these changes aren't as permanent as you might think? Picture this. Your body is like a sophisticated network of highways. Over time, some of these roads become narrow, traffic slows down, and the signals don't work as efficiently as they once did. But here's what most people don't realize. With the right approach, you can reopen those pathways. When we reach our 50s, several things happen beneath the surface. Blood vessels that once opened wide now struggle to expand fully. The hormones that fuel desire and tissue health begin their gradual decline. Those sensitive nerve pathways that once sparked intense sensations, they start to quiet down. And there's something else most men never consider. The deep pelvic muscles that act like a natural valve, keeping blood where it needs to be. These muscles weaken with time, making it harder to maintain what you've worked to achieve. But here's where hope enters the picture. Your body, even past 50, possesses an incredible ability to recover when given the right support. The key lies in understanding which structures to target and how to awaken them naturally. This is where a centuries-old remedy becomes your powerful ally. We're talking about castor oil, but not just any application method. You see, castor oil contains something truly special called ricinoleic acid. This unique compound works like nature's own healing agent, reducing inflammation, opening blood vessels, and encouraging your body's natural detox systems to work more efficiently. For hundreds of years, traditional healers understood this oil's deep penetrating power. They used it to stimulate sluggish organs, ease joint pain, and accelerate healing in ways that surface treatments simply couldn't match. When it comes to male vitality, castor oil's magic lies in its ability to reach deep into tissues, nourishing blood vessels, awakening dormant nerve endings, and creating the perfect environment for renewed function. Many patients describe the sensation as a gentle reawakening, a quiet switch turning back on. They notice warmth, fullness, even pleasant tingling in areas that had been silent for too long. Now, here's the crucial part. Where exactly should you apply this remarkable oil? The answer might surprise you. It's not the obvious location most would assume. Instead, it's the perineum, that soft area located between your scrotum and anus. Why this specific spot? Because beneath this seemingly simple patch of skin lies a control center for intimate function. The bulbospongiosus muscle runs through here, acting like your body's natural clamp. Critical nerve branches pass through this region, carrying vital signals between your brain and intimate areas. Blood vessels that supply oxygen-rich flow to erectile tissue also travel through this pathway. When you massage castor oil into the perineum, you're delivering its healing properties directly to these essential structures. The oil encourages muscle relaxation, improves circulation, and reactivates nerve pathways that may have been underperforming for years. Here's exactly how to harness this technique for maximum benefit. Start with the clean, dry area. Use 1 teaspoon of high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil. This ensures you get all the natural compounds without harmful processing. Warm the oil gently between your palms or by placing it briefly in warm water. Find a comfortable position where you can easily reach the perineum. Using slow, deliberate movements, massage the oil into this area with firm yet gentle pressure. You want to reach the underlying muscle without causing discomfort. Think of it as coaxing the tissue to open and receive nourishment. Move in steady circles or gentle strokes, covering the entire space between scrotum and anus. Spend at least 3 minutes here, longer if possible. Focus on your breathing during this process. Slow inhales, slow exhales. This helps release tension and allows your body to welcome the sensation more fully. After the massage, consider placing a warm compress over the area for about 15 minutes. The combination of heat and oil creates deeper tissue penetration and enhances circulation even further. I recommend making this an evening ritual. When your body is already beginning to unwind, the tissues can stay relaxed and continue absorbing the oil throughout the night. What can you expect? Some men notice subtle changes within days, perhaps gentle warmth, light tingling, or increased sensation in the pelvic region. For others, improvements develop gradually over 2 to 4 weeks of consistent application. Remember, this isn't about quick artificial results. It's about gently reconditioning your tissues and restoring natural mechanisms that support healthy function. You might also discover unexpected benefits. Many report less pelvic tension, reduced lower back stiffness, and even improved urinary control. This makes perfect sense. The same nerve and muscle networks that support intimate function also influence bladder health. To maximize your results, support this technique with circulation-friendly habits. Stay well hydrated throughout the day. Include nitric oxide boosting foods like leafy greens and beets in your meals. Choose healthy fats from sources like salmon, walnuts, and olive oil. Consider adding gentle pelvic floor exercises to your routine. Properly performed Kegels can strengthen the muscles that help maintain firmness during intimate moments. Don't underestimate your mind's role in this process either. Chronic stress floods your system with hormones that constrict blood vessels and dampen desire. Daily relaxation, whether through deep breathing, gentle walks, or quiet reflection, helps your body return to a state where intimacy feels natural again. A few important safety notes. Choose pure, cold-pressed castor oil to avoid unnecessary chemicals. Don't use it on irritated or broken skin. If you experience unusual symptoms or take medications for circulation-related conditions, consult your healthcare provider before beginning any new regimen. Gentlemen, your body is more resilient than you might imagine. Even after 50, it can respond, heal, and regain strength in ways that will genuinely surprise you. With consistent care, proper nutrition, and the right techniques, you can reignite that vitality you thought was lost forever. Try this castor oil method regularly. Give your body the support it needs both externally and internally. Combine it with healthy nutrition, adequate hydration, and daily moments of calm. Don't rush the process. Trust it. Your body knows how to heal when given the right environment. If you found this information valuable, please share it with someone who could benefit. Sometimes a simple piece of knowledge can make a profound difference in another person's life. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen, especially if you have existing medical conditions. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and never stop believing in its remarkable capacity for renewal and restoration.